Curry shrimp is already a favorite, but when you add chickpeas to it and soft roti, let me show you how easy it comes together. Let's go make it. I've already washed and cleaned the shrimps. All-purpose seasoning, Old Bay, garlic powder, onion powder, Scotch Bonnet powder, coconut oil. You can use whatever oil you got, okay? But coconut oil gives the curry more flavor, you know? Curry powder, onion, garlic, ginger, pimento seed, green bell pepper. Oh my god. Smell good. Coconut milk. Ooh. Nice and creamy. Look at this. See that? When I make this, I like to add potatoes to it. I'm not gonna say Irish potato, but people like for eggs. When they're Irish potato, I just so we call it in Jamaica. When we're in Jamaica, we say Irish potato, but it's potatoes, okay? Potatoes. But we Jamaican, we call it Irish potato. Alright, the potatoes are gonna take the longest. That's why I add them first. Add some scallion or green onions, thyme, and a Scotch Bonnet pepper. See how this is nice and creamy? I love this coconut milk. Cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add in a can of chickpeas. You want the peas to soak up all this goodness. Looking good already. Ooh. Add in the shrimp. You want to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes and turn the stove off. After you turn the stove off, the heat will finish it off, okay? Turn off the stove and let the heat finish it off, okay? All done. Quick and easy, all done. And the shrimps are not overcooked. See? You want to get the dough real flat. Real flat, okay? All right. Let's put this up. Some butter. Oh, this hot man, Jesus Christ. No, sir. But it looks damn good. Look at that. Ooh, bust up shut. A bust up shut on them. Look. Ooh, bust up shut. Nice and flaky. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. See? Time for a plate this up. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Here. How it tastes? Me know. Me never gonna use a fork today, me pretend like me gonna do this. Me gonna do this with my hand today. Yeah? Look at these. Me go on with a little thing with the roti, you know, take it truth. Not so bad this time. One time I make it on but this time, I think me catch it this time. I think me catch it. You know? Let's try this now. It's a laugh, man. It's a laugh. Like, it's a laugh. Everything tastes good. You can't go wrong with coconut shrimp and chickpeas, and really easy to cook. So good. Roti. I feel so proud of it. Like, I feel so proud of my roti. I'm not gonna lie. Look for my roti, boy. Look at the roti. You see the roti, boy? You see it? I love Trinidad people. A lot of Trinidad people always dip on my YouTube channel. I watch my YouTube channel. I always dip on my thing on my Facebook. I watch me. Big up on myself from Trinidad. Big up all my Trinidadian people. The roti make me got an accent. Trini accent. That's what good food make you do, you know. The food bust like them, bust up shut, yeah. Everything tastes good. Like, the food good. The shrimp nice and juicy, as you can see. When I like overcooked shrimp. If you reach this far into the video, guess what? Don't forget to like if you like this video, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know as a Jamaican if you ever make roti before, if you like roti and chickpeas or roti and curry. You wanna love roti? My Jamaican people wanna like roti? I'm also gonna leave all the measurements down in the description box. Anything you want to find out, go down and go check it out. And they have a new thing where when you like the video, you can hype up on a content creator, like people over YouTube. When you like the video, you hype me up. Now give me a little hype. It's free. It doesn't cost. So when you like the video, there's a thing at the bottom. It says hype. That can help push the video out and make the video reach to more people. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.